Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce with grated Parmesan cheese. Start by melting butter over medium-low heat and gently cook minced garlic until fragrant, being careful not to brown it. Pour in heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer while whisking constantly to prevent separation. Stir in grated Parmesan in batches until silky, then season to taste and serve immediately over pasta. Gather your ingredients and prep them before heating the pan to keep the sauce smooth and quick. Have grated Parmesan at room temperature so it melts evenly into the cream. Measure the cream and butter precisely and mince the garlic fine to release flavor without overpowering. Keep a whisk handy and a splash of pasta water ready to loosen the sauce if it thickens too much while serving. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful cooking videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes hands-free while your sauce simmers, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that keeps you in the kitchen longer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters more than speed when making a silky Alfredo, so be patient and gentle with heat. Keep the cream at a low simmer and add grated Parmesan gradually while whisking to form a stable, glossy emulsion. If the sauce gets too thick, add a tablespoon of warm pasta water at a time until it reaches the desired coating consistency. Finish with fresh black pepper and taste before plating for balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.